To turn on or off amplify ambient sound by using side and volume up keys in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap amplify ambient sound and then tap amplify ambient sound shortcut. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on, and then select press side and volume up keys. Next, you can easily enable or disable amplify ambient sound by pressing side and volume up keys at the same time. And then select amplify ambient sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.